Hello Framesi family in the world, how are you? I hope to find you all well. We all live in the same situation now, so because we love each other and because we can take care of each other, we do it with love to stay at home and stay safe. But in the same time, I would love to take this chance to use this 10-minute video to share with you some inspiration by using the new 2001 Intense Color and the Strike4 paper with the 3D layering technique. Of course, that's my model. I can't guarantee you that my final result will be the same like if it wasn't the natural hair. But I think that because we're all struggling now, we want to go back in our salon and be creative, that maybe some inspiration would be nice to go back into the salon when it will be time again and to have some more knowledge to use our products. So let's see what's happening. She's my training doll. Say hello. Hello. So let's see what's happening. So what we're gonna use, I decided to use this color. Of course, please apologize me because I'm not good with video. Apologize me if something it's not exactly how it is, but I'm trying to make it a little bit funny. I will work on the roots with 6.044 and on the length with 8.044. Of course, I would do it with 15 volume on the roots, 25 to push it a little bit more because even if though they are natural hair, it's not the same. And then I will use the Strike4 paper, the XL, and I will use the bleach. So which one? Of course, Lift in an Instant, No Dust with shimmer. I will use my No Dust. And I will use my shimmer. And then Extra Charge to enhance my bleached hair. So I'm gonna prepare the color. Usually, when I do this kind of work, I do protect my length from the spots by using an aluminum foil. In this case, I have a paper. I'm gonna show you. Put it over there. So when I pass my length over on this side, they will not become dirty. So imagine when you have a fading color from very dark to very blonde. In this case, when you do this work, the length will be prevented from spots, from dirtiness and everything. And the second thing is I keep my trace line. So when you do highlights, you know it's very important to keep the trace line in the right position, so the highlights will be in the perfect position again. position and technique. So, but actually this is our work. We have to be creative, but first of all we have to be very technique and very precise. So, Framesi family, now I finished to apply my roots and I already put the 8.044 on the length in the back. I'm gonna show you now, and it's very easy because it's a very fast technique. So I created now a zigzag trace line that is starting from the corner of the eyes, passing through 2 centimeters below the crown area, and it's a zigzag. And very important it is that in this case my haircut, it's a little bit longer in the front, so my first zigzag will be like that. I'm gonna show you now. So as you see, in the front it starts like if it will be a little bit longer, and it's a zigzag. Can you see it? I hope that the light is clear enough. And I already applied on the length my 6.044 melting with the 8.044, sorry, with 25 volume. Okay, now we're gonna proceed and I show you the 3D layering technique with the Strike4 XL paper. These are the Strike4 paper, and with this paper I can create 3 different colors in the same paper, and it's amazing because I can create highlights with the bleach and 2 different colors. As you can see, this is a paper that you can open, and you have 3 different sheets where you can apply your color. So paper is a heat absorber, so nothing bad can happen to your hair. You will definitely not burn your hair, even though if you don't use your flat iron on around 300 degrees, but it's very safe. I will work with 190 degrees, but first I'm going to show you how to use this paper. So now I open completely my paper, take my first section, I put it in the paper, and I mix already the no dust with shimmer. The mix ratio is 1 to 2, and I apply my bleach. I make sure that my bleach is homogeneous, not too much but not even that less, okay? So now I close the first sheet, and I will do the same color that I did on my roots, with the difference that I will do some waves here. I put this color, the 6.044, okay, voila. I close my paper and I take my waves and I put the 8.044. So I will have a 3-dimensional color, very soft, very natural and special. Voila, and I close it, and that's it. That's my first sheet. This is the final result. Unfortunately, my light in my office, it's not that good, but as you can see, the color is beautiful, and you see all the fading color, on the roots the 6, and of course on the length you can see the 8, which is amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope that it was also a funny moment and that I gave you some inspiration. And what can I say? Love you all. I send you a big hug from my heart. Stay safe, stay at home. We are far, but still close.